How to reverse a video on TikTok? Follow this guide. First, launch the TikTok app on your phone. Then click on the plus icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Next, you can either record a new video by holding the red button or choose an existing video from your device gallery. After that, hit next to proceed. On the editing screen, look for the effects option on the right side of your screen and click on it. Now swipe left through the effect categories and select time. Under the time category, choose the reverse effect. Moreover, TikTok will automatically start reversing your video. Once the reverse effect is applied, hit the save button to apply the effect. Finally, hit next and click on the post button to share your video. And that's it. This is how to reverse a video on TikTok.